All right, guys, pop quiz. What is the official fruit of the state of Texas? It's not the apple, it's not the peach, it's not the plum, the pomegranate, the pomelo. That's a fruit, right? No, it is the Texas red grapefruit. And today we're gonna talk all about how to cut this thing, how to eat this thing, and give y'all a couple recipes of how to prepare this thing. Y'all ready? Let's go.
I don't think you eat it like that.
No, that's not the way I do it. All right, y'all, welcome to the Texan Table. I'm your host, Chet Garner, and this is where we talk about the finest, freshest foods that are grown, made, produced right here in the Lone Star State. Today, we're talking all about Texas red grapefruit. It is that beautiful, soury, sweety, tangy, pulpy, delicious-y fruit that grows so well down in South Texas along the Rio Grande Valley. And so what we have today is an entire box of Texas grown grapefruits from Winter Sweetz. They are out of Mission, Texas. All right, I know, the grapefruit can be a bit of a divisive thing. I have learned that people either love them or they hate them, but I think it's just sort of misunderstood. It's one of my absolute favorite fruits. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to cut one of these things fuss-free. You can pick out a ripe grapefruit by looking at the color of its skin, okay? The redder it is, the more ripe it is, and the sweeter it's gonna be. So, locate the poles, you got 2 of them, and we're gonna go ahead and just cut those bad boys off. Bam, just like this. We gotta go a little deeper. Cut the other side off. We got the poles cut off. Now we're just going to remove the peel and the pith. The pith is that sort of very, sort of spongy, bitter stuff that's right underneath the peeling. So now you have the inside, you've got the juice, you got the good part, but there are still these sort of membranes that segment between the fruit. Those can be real chewy. So start by taking one of the segments out, all right? And so that's the good stuff right there, folks. This is what you wanna eat. You don't wanna eat the peeling or the pithin or the membrane in, just this. Oh, that's good. I like sugar, but it's got this tangy, twangy flavor. I stinking love grapefruit. All right, so you can kind of work your way around the wheel, pulling out the segments like that, all right? And then here you go, you see the membrane? Don't try to eat the membrane. Slide your knife underneath it so you can separate the segment, pull membrane back, and then boom, you got another segment there. See, membrane? If you thought you didn't like grapefruit, you're probably just doing it wrong.
I know I'm doing it wrong.
It's delicious.
It's like a sweet orange.
Yes, yes. He's a believer. I'm gonna show you all an even faster way to prepare these things. This special grapefruit knife. Find your poles, slice it right down the middle. It's got 2 different sides to it. The first one has 2 blades, and the other one is a curved knife. So you go all the way around it like this, from the inside out with the 2-bladed knife. Just slide down those membranes. Then you take the other knife, the curved one, and you go around the outside, just like this. Once you do it, boom, segment comes out just like that. Oh, it's perfect. God, these grapefruits are so good. You in the mood for a cocktail, Daniel?
When am I not?
Always, yes. All right, so we are going to make a Paloma. It is essentially a grapefruit margarita that takes out the lime and puts in grapefruit. What you need to start it off with, you need essentially 2 ounces or 1/4 of a cup of fresh grapefruit juice. Cut the sweetness with just a little bit of lime. A full ounce of the tequila of your choice. So we got our ingredients in the shaker. We shake it, baby. 1 Texas Grapefruit Paloma. Cheers. Oh, that's a good cocktail. It's refreshing, summery. I mean, it's got the sweetness, the tanginess, I mean, that is just a delicious, beautiful, fresh cocktail right there. I got a little pre-dinner cocktail. Let me show y'all something to do with grapefruit that's totally in the savory category, all right? It goes delicious on fish dishes. So what we're gonna do today is some grapefruit, avocado, seared tuna. So salt and pepper. Let's just use some of that Paloma salt, man. When you're searing up tuna, it doesn't take long. Oh yeah, see? Gotta sear the edges, get the good crispy crust. So this tuna is absolutely done. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Okay, yeah. Nail it. I like my avocado kind of cubed. Believe it or not, a couple segments of fresh, sweet Texas grapefruit. How's that look for a taco, friends? Ooh! Salud. Oh, kind of wild. That taco right there should be served on a beach, right? You got the fresh fish, you've got the fresh avocado, and then you got this delicious little pop of sourness and sweetness from the grapefruit. I feel like I should be on South Padre Island right now. That's what this is. All right, guys, so I hope you learned something about Texas grapefruit. You can find out more about Winter Sweetz on their website at wintersweetz.com. You can even order a box just like this one or look for them at your local retailer. And cheers, guys. Good luck out there cutting and eating Texas grapefruit. It's worth it. Oh, I didn't even talk about how healthy it is. Lots of health benefits. Okay, go eat some.